Good morning, students. How are you? I think that you are all fine. Today I am going to explain you something about class 12 chemistry. Class 12 examination that is going to take place after 2 or 2.5 months. I think so. Dear students, the total mark in chemistry 3 is 70. And this 70 mark is divisible into 3 parts: physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry. Physical chemistry, total 23 marks. 7 marks from solution chapter, 9 marks from electrochemistry, and 7 marks again from chemical kinetics. 7 plus 9 plus 7, that is 23 marks. The maximum marks that come from any chapter, the chapter is electrochemistry, 9 marks. Similarly, 14 marks come from chemistry inorganic. Inorganic chemistry is consisting of DNA block and coordination chemistry, each 7 and 7. The 7 and 7 is 14 marks. And again, total 33 marks come from organic chemistry. Chapter includes haloalkane, haloarine, 6 mark, alcohol, phenol and ether, 6 mark, aldehyde, ketone and acid, 8 mark, amines and diazonium salt, 6 mark, and biomolecule, 7 mark. That I will discuss one by one. Dear students, your question paper in board examination, CBSE board examination, is containing total 35 questions, and this 35 question is divisible into section A, section B, section C, section D and section E. 5 sections. Section A is consisting of 18 questions. All questions are MCQ, that is multiple choice question. And section B is consisting of 19 to 25, 7 questions, each having 2 marks. Similarly, section C consisting of 26 to 30, that is 5 questions, each question carry 3 marks. Likewise, section D consisting of 31 and 32, 2 questions, each 4 marks. Section D consisting of question number 30, 31 and 32, 2 questions, each 4 marks. This question is question 31 and 32, either value based or case based. Section E consisting of 33, 34 and 35, 3 questions, each having 5 marks. Dear students, what I have to say, if you have to write in answer a 1 mark question, then you will write only either 1 word or 1 sentence. If you have to explain in your copy 2 mark question, then you have to write, I think, approximately 20 words. If you have to explain or you have to write a 3 mark question, then you can write 30 words or something more, 30 to 40 words, not more than this. You don't write so much, don't write so less, but write appropriate to the point, neither more nor less. Then you will get up to the marks. Dear students, there is no external option in your paper, means you have to do 35 questions. 35 questions are given, not 36, but there are certain internal options given in the paper. Question 1 to 18, that is a multiple choice question, there is no option. But in section B, section C, section D and section E, you will have in a section two options and 2 internal options that you have to do. I am going to tell you something that you don't know, that you hardly know. Section A is consisting of 18 questions, and I have told you question number 15, 16, 17, 18. They are reason and assertion type. What do you mean by assertion? Assertion means some explanation is given there. And what is reason? Reason is some explanation is also given there. This type of question has 4 options. Option A, option B, option C and option D. Option A means assertion and reason both are correct, and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. B means assertion and reason both are correct, but reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. Answer C is assertion is right, but reason is wrong. And D is assertion is wrong, but reason is right. Dear students, today I will I will discuss two questions from chemistry. Question 1 is in section A, 1 to 18 question are MCQ, and in that part, question 15, 16, 17 and 18, they are assertion and reason type. What do you mean by assertion? Assertion means some statement is given, and reason means some explanation is also given. And such questions has 4 options. Option 1, assertion and reason both are correct, and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. Option B. Option B is a assertion is a correct, reason is also correct, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. And option C is assertion is right, but reason is wrong. And D is assertion is wrong, but reason is right. That is clear. That will be clear with the help of an example. I give you example. Assertion is given that vitamin C cannot be stored in human body. This is assertion. And reason is given vitamin C is water soluble. Then you know that both reason and assertion are correct, and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. That means what? Option A is correct. The same question can be given in another form. Assertion is given vitamin C is cannot be stored in human body, and reason is given that vitamin C is fat soluble. Then what you see? That your assertion is right, but your reason is wrong. Vitamin C is not fat soluble, it is water soluble. Then what to tick? You have to tick option C. Means what? Assertion is right, but your reason is wrong. This way, you can opt either option A or B or C or D. That already I have told you. I have to explain another question today. Suppose you have been given in the examination, write down the structure or formula of perchlorodimethyl ether. Perchlorodimethyl ether. You must have it ether. Ether general formula is ROR, and dimethyl ether is a CH3O. CH3. Dimethyl ether. Perchloro. In chemistry, per has to be applied in the case only when all hydrogen atom has to be replaced by Cl atom. You say perfluoro, then what? All H atom has to be replaced by fluorine atom. This per comes for halogen atom, either for fluorine or chlorine or bromine or sometimes iodine. Then what to write? Perchlorodimethyl ether. Then the formula becomes CCl3. CCl3 means what? In CH3, all 3H atom is replaced by 3Cl atom, and also here all 3H atom replaced by 3Cl atom. That means CCl3, that is a formula of perchlorodimethyl ether. Okay.